This is the brief on the brush handle threading machine. Okay, so what we're looking at here is a new piece of industrial machinery that's honestly a game changer for brush production. It's designed to solve all those persistent manufacturing headaches. Issues with speed, wasted materials, and parts that just don't hold up during that critical handle threading phase. So let's dive into the 3 biggest reasons why this technology is such a massive leap forward. First, let's talk precision and quality. This unit gets down to millimetric accuracy when it's cutting threads, which is a huge engineering win. And what that really means is it virtually eliminates the scrap rate from threading errors. So no more loose or defective brushes because of a poor fit. Second, let's look at speed and pure efficiency. The machine is clocked at an output of 450 handles per hour. For a lot of manufacturers, that doesn't just improve efficiency, it literally triples what their old equipment could do. That effectively removes the threading operation as a production bottleneck, period. And finally, durability and versatility. The machine's built with a high-tensile steel frame and fully sealed components. It's engineered for continuous 3-shift operation, which drastically lowers those unexpected maintenance costs. Plus, operators can easily manage all sorts of handle diameters and threading profiles from a simple control panel.